How to send picture on an email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to send picture to an email. So this is very simple procedure. All you need to do is check your internet connection and open up your Gmail application. So right over here you'll need to send a picture. So for that, first of all, tap the compose button and select to whom you actually want to send. So type in the email address of the particular receiver, add a subject as well. For the compose email button, you need to go ahead and tap the paperclip icon from the top right hand side corner, either attach file or insert from drive. So I'm gonna go with attach file, and from here I'm gonna select this particular image. Adding the image, click the arrow icon from the top, and as soon as you've done that, the particular email has been sent. So in this way you can send on your email account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.